Welcome to Local to Global India. Today we are presenting Bharat Petroleum. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited BPCL is an Indian government controlled oil and gas company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The corporation operates two large refineries of the country located in Kochi and Mumbai. We are the most admired global energy company leveraging talent and technology. BPCL was founded on 1952, headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Shareholding pattern and share price of BPCL are like this. Last traded price on NSE was 430.30. 52-week high was 549.00. 52-week low was 252.00. Lower price band for BPCL is 365.40, whereas upper price band is 446.50. Shareholding pattern of BPCL is like this. Promoters are holding 53%, MF holdings are 13.7%, FII's holdings are 11.9%, other institution holdings are 7.7%, and public holdings are 13.7%. Recent news for BPCL is BPCL to offer its employees stock options at a third of market price. Stay tuned. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has offered its employees stock options at one-third of the market price as the company looks to reward staff ahead of its privatization. BPCL privatization. Government rules on worker protection, asset stripping letter. Preliminary expression of interest or EOIs are due on September 30, which will be followed by qualified bidders being asked to submit financial or price bids. Disclaimer from Local to Global India. Our channel's purpose is to promote homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills, and talent of people to global level. We are following the theme which our Prime Minister said that every Indian has to become vocal for their local. Not only to buy local products but also to promote them proudly. Hence, we are making and publishing videos on homegrown Indian products, food, culture, finance, skills, and talent of people to promote on global level. Also, if you want to advertise or promote any of your product or talent, we Local to Global India will help you. You can mail us on localtoglobalindian@gmail.com. Please like, subscribe, share and comment for more videos. Thanks for taking time to read this. Local to Global India.